If you're a homeowner in Meridian, Idaho, you already know how important it is to keep your home comfortable year-round, without racking up high energy bills. From warm, sunny summers to chilly winter months, the local climate puts your windows to the test. That's why more and more Meridian homeowners are turning to Casement Windows as a smart, energy-efficient upgrade. Known for their sleek look and tight seal, Casement Windows offer a wide range of benefits that go beyond aesthetics. Here's why they're a top choice for improving your home's energy efficiency in Meridian. What are casement windows? Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door, usually operated by a crank. Unlike traditional sliding or double-hung windows, casement windows open fully from top to bottom, allowing for better ventilation and cleaner lines. But their true strength lies in how well they insulate your home, making them one of the most energy-efficient window styles on the market. Tight seal for maximum insulation. When it comes to energy savings, the most important feature of a window is how tightly it seals. Casement windows are designed to press firmly against the frame when closed, creating an airtight seal that significantly reduces air leakage. In Meridian, where winter temperatures can dip below freezing and summers can get hot and dry, preventing outdoor air from sneaking inside is essential for maintaining consistent indoor temperatures, reducing the workload on your HVAC system, lowering monthly utility bills. Fewer drafts mean a more comfortable home, no matter the season. Better ventilation when you need it. While casement windows seal tightly when closed, they also offer superior ventilation when open. Because the entire window opens outward, they catch side breezes more effectively than sliding or double-hung windows. This allows for more fresh air during spring and fall, natural cooling in the evenings, less reliance on air conditioning in mild months. For homeowners in Meridian looking to cut back on cooling costs while enjoying Idaho's fresh air, casement windows provide an ideal solution. Energy-efficient glass option. Modern casement windows can be paired with a variety of advanced glass technologies to further boost energy efficiency. Options include double or triple pane glass low emissivity coatings to reflect heat and UV rays, argon or krypton gas fills between panes for added insulation. These features help reduce heat transfer through the glass, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This translates into lower energy consumption and greater year-round comfort. Smart frame materials for Meridian's climate. The frame material of your windows also plays a crucial role in energy performance. Casement windows are available in vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames, all of which offer excellent insulation and durability. In Meridian's varied climate, these materials hold up well against UV rays, moisture from snow or rain, fluctuating temperatures. Choosing the right combination of frame and glass helps ensure your windows perform efficiently for years to come. Increased home value and long-term savings. Energy-efficient upgrades like casement windows are more than just functional. They're also attractive to potential buyers. If you plan to sell your home in the future, energy-efficient windows are a major selling point. In the meantime, you'll enjoy lower utility costs, improved indoor comfort, reduced environmental impact. Over time, these savings can help offset the initial investment in new windows. Final thoughts. Casement windows are a smart choice for Meridian homes when it comes to balancing style, function, and energy efficiency. Casement windows check all the boxes. Their airtight seal, excellent ventilation, and compatibility with energy-saving technologies make them a top-performing window style, especially for Meridian homeowners who value comfort and savings.